Welcome to Episode 7. Hallucination, the model making things up, is mostly a prompt problem. Ground the answer in real text and the model stops inventing. The grounding pattern in 4 steps. Retrieve the relevant chunks from your knowledge base, paste them into the prompt. Tell the model to answer only from that context. Ask it to cite which chunk it pulled the answer from. Hallucination drops sharply. A grounded prompt. 3 rules. Answer only from context. Say, I don't know if the answer isn't there. Cite the source. With those 3 lines, your model goes from making things up to admitting uncertainty. That is the whole magic. Most models by default would rather guess than say, I don't know. Give them explicit permission to abstain. 3 lines in your system prompt. The single highest impact change you can make to reduce hallucination. Confident sounding is easy. Actually correct is hard. Always build for correct. Next episode tool use, function calling. How models go from generating text to actually doing things.